Alright, well, here we are in Dorchester. This car's been in here 28 years. Tyres are a bit flat. It was a show winner. Anyway, we'll get it out. You can enjoy it in a sunbeam. Right, usual, all the tyres are flat, so we'll just see if they're the faults are there. Let me see if the brakes are stuck on. Right, spots on the front bumper, but so the engine bay looks good. Right, let me just jack it up and see if the brakes are free. Yes, it turns. Happy days. Right, and that's one.
I'll try this one.
Yeah, does that one turn, Glenn?
No, it's not up enough yet.
Oh, it's still touching the ground. Yeah. Yeah, clear now.
Clear now, go on.
No.
Well, I bet you a give though. If one's given, the other one ought to, didn't it?
Well, I haven't got much oomph like you,
No,
but I
no.
can't get that to turn.
Right, okay, right, we'll have a look at that.
I checked, yeah.
Right, we got a small snag. We can't find the locking wheel nut key. This will fit in there and reach the hub.
The only thing is, I've got another
Drum, I mean. So, just going to give it a tap, see if it'll help it. Alright, can't find the electric locking wheel nut key. So, we're just going to try and winch it out a bit. Nice view. Right, anyway.
Okay, so here we go for the first time in
28 years.
28 years it is.
28 years.
Yeah, the PFX 580K is emerging into the sunlight we hope. Got a nice day for it.
We have to start again. Let's get the other control. The batteries are...
Take two. Normal service has been resumed. So yeah, this is PFX 580K coming out after
28 years.
28 years.
Yeah.
We did have sunlight. Oh, it's moving straight away. Really unexpected.
Wheels turning.
Yeah. And so is the one that was jammed on the rear near side. So that's turning now. Hey. Looking all right on this side. Here she comes. Looking remarkably good really after all this time. Yeah, I think you're all right. You're quite close to the edge, but it should be okay. Right, pause. Service has been resumed. So yeah, this is PFX 580K coming out after
28 years.
28 years.
Yeah.
Moving straight away. Really unexpected.
Wheels turning.
Yeah. And so is the one that was jammed on the rear side. That's turning now. Looking all right on this side. Good really after all this time. You're all right. You're quite close to the edge, but it should be okay. We're just going to look. Now, just going to look how the front looks. This is the bit that suffered, as we can see here. Front of the bonnet there, not looking so good. But what can you expect after all this time? She will live again. Closed. Pretty simple operation all told, compared to some that have been done.
Okay, right.
Yeah, there's the man who's managed it all.
I have them facing the other way, but just get a, you still video in,
Yeah.
get a quick recording of it for the inside engine
Yeah,
bay.
just moving in on the engine bay. Look at that, pretty good, I'd say, all in all.
A little bit of a patina on there, but
Nothing.
Polish off, isn't it?
yeah.
I'm not worried about this.
Nothing.
Yeah, service rust. That
That'll be all right, I reckon.
a lot of that will clean up. We shall see. Oh, you got an electric fan on there.
I have as a Kenlo.
God, when they were quite cheap. Yeah, okay,
Fun
right.
games.
Yeah, end of part 1.
I usually like to have them facing the other way, but just get a, you still video in,
Yeah.
get a quick recording of it for the inside engine
Yeah,
bay.
just moving in on the engine bay. Look at that, pretty good, I'd say, all in all.
A little bit of a patina on there, but
Yeah, I think that'll polish off, won't it?
yeah.
I'm all worried about this.
Yeah, service rust. That
That'll be all right, I reckon.
a lot of that will clean up. We shall see. Oh, you got an electric fan on there.
I have as a Kenlo.
So when they were quite cheap.
Yeah,
Okay,
Fun and
right.
games.
End of part 1.